So my presentation is about almond brownie cookies. Basically, it's a combination of brownies and cookies with the crunch from the almonds. And why is this recipe good? Because it's easy to make with very simple ingredients. Some health benefits are that chocolate can improve your blood flow and lower blood pressure. Eggs provide protein, and brown sugar is rich in minerals like iron and calcium. Hey, wait. These are supposed to have text in them. I don't. Oh. Okay, so wait, I think there's a problem because I don't know why, but all these texts turned into white, so you can't see them.
Yep, no problem. Just take your time. It's fine. I think we're all waiting for our cookies anyway.
Okay, so we're gonna talk more about the almonds. So basically that they think the experts think that the first almond trees were domesticated like during the early Bronze Age, and they were even found in 132 BCE in Egypt. And some health benefits are that they lower blood sugar levels, reduce blood pressure, and lower cholesterol levels. There are a lot of all types, like different almond recipes around the world, and some of them include spiced almonds, almond milk, and almond butter. And I think that's the end of the presentation. So you need to set up a double boiler, and how you do that is you get a pan and you fill it up with water, and then you have a bowl, basically, yeah. And then right now you just put in your chocolate and your butter, which I need to get right now. Mix with a spatula until it melts completely. My chocolate is melted, so all I do is add my brown sugar and then mix for a little bit longer. After adding the brown sugar, you can take it off the stove. basically once you mix in the brown sugar, you can mix in your almonds and your eggs. So after adding all that in, like the consistency should be like this, kind of like a cake batter-ish. Yeah, and once you have this sort of consistency, you can add in the flour. And it should be like as thick as cookie dough. So if it isn't like mine, you can add a little bit more flour. And if that still doesn't work, you can put it in the fridge since it's chocolate. Okay, so once they're like this, you can also add like some chocolate chips or almonds on top, and then you can bake them for 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, so my cookies are done, and this is what it looks like. Yeah. As you can see, I put chocolate chips and almonds on top.